Hello, I'm Jason from Deepernauts, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get a 7-day free trial for the brand new DPN app using this code. Click the link in the description and it will bring you to a registration page for the DPN app. You will need to input a new email address and verify it with a verification code that will be sent to your email address. Then, input a new password and repeat that password. The registration code is already input for you. Once you register, then you're done. You'll be able to download the DPN app and use it for 7 days for free, no credit card required. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel to get more up-to-date information on the Deepernauts and the brand new DPN app.
Deepernauts, of the users, by the users, for the users.